Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are good. Are you a goat meat lover? Oh yeah, come here. Let me show you how to make this delicious goat meat sauce. So guys, let's get started. So in a clean pot, I added my goat meat. Okay, it's already cleaned. Okay, now go ahead to season it up. I added onions, ginger and garlic paste. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. I added some nut cube, okay? So you can use your Maggi. It's not Maggi. Alright, so I added it now. You add depending on the quantity of sauce that you are making. Alright. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do what to support us, subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos, guys. So I added some curry powder. Now I added oregano, salt. Yeah, once done, give it a nice stir. All right, go ahead to cover the pot and allow it to cook on its own juice for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. God bless you all. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you, guys. 10 minutes later, I checked on the pot. Yeah, over here you can see that I'm giving it a nice stir. Okay, so we are going to be adding some water that will help the goat meat cook. All right, and also add the water to the quantity of sauce that you are preparing. Okay, so the next we have our carrots, right? Yeah, in this sauce we want to make this sauce to be very when I mean simple. Okay, so go ahead and peel and cut your carrots, okay, to your desired size. If you want it big, medium, large, yeah, it all depends on your choice.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay.
Over here you can see the carrot is ready. Now let's go back to the pot. So it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I'm using fresh corn here, soft. Of course, I added more water, give it a nice stir. All right, feel free to test for salt or seasonings. Okay, once done, cover and allow to boil. Okay, once it gets boiled, you can see over here some minutes later, I give it a nice stir. Yes, so now what's good? So now it's time to add the vegetables. All right, at this point I'm done stirring, so I added my fresh pepper. Add to your taste. Go ahead to stir. Yes, so the next I added my cornstarch. Okay, this will serve as thickener to this sauce. Okay, add depending on how you want it, light or thick. Okay, so I gave it a stir. At the same time, I was not satisfied. Okay, so I have to go ahead to add more. All right, once I'm done, I give it a nice stir. Finally, I'm satisfied with the consistency, right? Okay, feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings. Lastly, I added my mixed bell pepper. Okay, can see me over here stirring. Okay, mix to combine, cover the pot and allow to cook for 2 more minutes.
The perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you dey. Mira's kitchen dey for
2 minutes later, voila, the sauce is ready. Give it a nice turn off the cooker and it is done. Okay, make sure you don't overcook the red bell pepper and the carrot. Yeah, so omo, this color is giving. Serve and enjoy. Okay, enjoy with your white rice, spaghetti, or in whichever way you prefer. Honestly, this sauce tasted so super delicious. Hope you try it out. If you do, let me know what you think in the comment section. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
for you.